Hi students, how are you all? I know you all are very good and you are taking good care of yourself at your home. Today I am going to teach you the question answer from the poem Glowworms. All of you open your New Oxford book, page number 65. Today's topic is question and answer from the poem Glowworm. Okay, we all have completed the poem Glowworms, but before going to discuss about the question answer, I am reading the poem once again. All of you listen carefully. Glowworms. And this poem was written by Nicholas Hirschberg. Okay. On a dark, wet night, when there was no light, I saw a strange sight that gave me a fright. A glowworm I saw, and then dozens more just flew through the door. I don't know what for. Brighter than the stars, Jupiter and Mars, they shone like gold jars or headlamps on cars. They danced in the air and raced up the stairs. I got such a scare. I fell off my chair. Okay, I have told you I refers to the poet Nicholas Hirschberg. Now we are going to talk about the question answer. All of you look at the book. What first question is, what was the strange sight the poet saw? What was the strange sight the poet saw? First question, what was the strange sight? STRANGE, strange sight. The poet saw. The poet saw. Okay, this is the first question. As you can see in the poem, there is a line, on a dark wet night when there was no light, I saw a strange sight. Means what was the strange sight the poet saw? Tell me. The poet saw, you have to write the poet. Poet, T-H-E-D, poet, P-O-E-T. You have learned the spelling of all these words. Poet saw the glowworms saw the glowworms when on a dark wet night. On a dark wet night. So, what was the strange sight the poet saw? You have to write the answer. The poet saw the glowworms. The poet saw the glowworms on a dark, wet night. Okay, this is the answer. What was the strange sight the poet saw? The poet saw the glowworms on a dark, wet night. I have told you glowworm is a type of insect that produces light from its body. Okay, this is glowworms. So you have learned the first question and answer. Next, how many glowworms came through the door? It is very easy. Look at the line. A glowworm I saw and then dozens more. So how many? Dozens. You have to write how many glowworms came through the door. First write the question. How many glowworms came through the door? Came through the door. Through the door. Write the answer. You have to write dozens of glowworms. Dozens. Learn the spelling of dozens. D-O-Z-E-N-S. D-O-Z-E-N-S. Dozens of glowworms came through the door. Came through T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Through the door. Okay. What is the answer of second question? How many glowworms came through the door? How many? Dozens of glowworms. Dozens of glowworms came through the door. Now repeat the question answer from 1 to what was the strange sight the poet saw? What was the strange sight the poet saw? Look, the poet saw the glowworms. The poet saw the glowworms on a dark wet night. On a dark wet night. How many glowworms came through the door? Dozens of glowworms came through the door. Next, number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, are we told why the glowworms came? Are we told? Yes. You have to write yes. First question I am writing. Are we told why the glowworms came? Why the glowworms came? Question mark. Then the second question. Why do you think they came? Why do you think they came? Okay, this is the question number 3. Are we told why the glowworms came? Why do you think they came? If first you have to write yes. Yes, then the second question, why do you think they came? You have to write I think. I think they came because, why they came? Because there was no light. They came because BECAUSH, because there was THERE, there was no light. No light. Okay, so why they came? Because there was no light. Because there was no light. Yeah, are we told why the glowworms came? Yes. Why do you think they came? I think they came because there was no light. There was no light. So for this reason the glowworms came through the door. Question number 4. Which words in the poem tell us about the glowworms? Which words in the poem tell us about the glowworms? It is very easy, you all know. Question number 4. Which words? There are many words in the poem. Which words in the poem tell us about the glowworms? Okay, there are many words that tell about the glowworms in your poem. Look at the line, brighter than the stars, Jupiter or Mars. And Mars, they shone like gold jars or headlamps on cars. Means here glowworms are compared with stars, Jupiter, Mars, gold jars and headlamps. Write the words. You have to write the words stars, then put comma, stars, Jupiter, Jupiter, Jupiter. Do you know what is Jupiter? Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. And in this poem, Jupiter is compared with glowworms, stars, Jupiter, Mars. Mars is also a planet and it is a small reddish planet. It is a small reddish planet. The word stars, Jupiter, Mars, gold jars. G-O-L-D, gold, J-A-R-S, jars, or headlamps on cars, or headlamps, or headlamps. Tell us about the glowworm. Tell us about the glowworms. Glowworms. Now, student, tell me which words in the poem tell us about the glowworms. The words stars, Jupiter, Mars, gold jars, or headlamps tell us about the glowworms. Which words? Stars, Jupiter, Mars, gold jars, and headlamps. Remember that. Now, next question. This is the last question. What did the glowworms do in the house? What did the glowworms do in the house? What did the glowworms do? As you can see in the poem, there is line about this question. What did the glowworms do? Question number 5. What did the glowworms what did the glowworms do in the house? Do in the house. In the house. And what did the poet do? What did the poet do? First answer question. What did the glowworms do in the house? As you can see in the poem, there is a line. They danced in the air and raced up the stair. So you have to write the glowworms danced. The glowworms danced in the air and raced up, R-A-C-E-D, raced up the stair, raced up the stair in the house, H-O-U-S-E, house. So, what did the glowworms do in the house? The glowworms danced in the air and raced up in the stair in the house. Okay. Next question. What did the poet do? What did the poet do? We have completed what did the glowworms do. Now, what did the poet do? The poet, look, I got such a scare, I fell off my chair. So the poet, you can write, the poet got scared, S-C-A-R-E-D, scared, and fell down, F-E-L-L, fell down, D-O-W-N, fell down from the chair. Okay, look at the last question. What did the glowworms do in the house? The glowworms danced in the air and raced up the stair in the house. Or you can omit in the house. The poet got, next, what did the poet do? The poet got scared. The poet got scared and fell down from the chair. Okay, so we have completed 5 question and answer from this poem, Glowworms. All of you learn the question answer. And thank you for watching this video.